Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have brand new fidgets in my collection. I have a fidget toy pad, a fidget spinner poppin', another fidget spinner poppin', a poppet that is a bow, I have a Easter poppin', I really like this one because it's 4 poppets into one. And by the way, those ones are keychains for the poppets. I have a mini poppin'. I have another mini poppet that is a shirt. I have 2 fidget chains. And by the way, they are 22 inches. And I have 4 monkey noodles. I have a blue unicorn, a light purple unicorn one, a pink unicorn for the monkey noodle, and the last monkey noodle that I have is the light purple one. Make sure to comment down below which one is your favorite out of the collection that I have right now. The one that is my favorite so far has to be the fidget spinner poppin' and the fidget toy pad. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see everyone in the next video.